Hey followers, welcome to the Tips Thursday video. It's the first video and I want to do it every Thursday unless we get some important news like NFP Friday. Then I want to talk about NFT on that Thursday. But every Thursday I will give you a good hint for you to getting better in the financial market. Not just in the crypto, as well in the stocks, indices, and as well in the CFDs. And there will be very interesting topics. And now I want to talk about today about the randomness about the market, what everyone is thinking, and I would say misunderstanding and misleading to the people. So I want to start with it really funny. So let's go into the market, right? What do we see here? We see a normal Let me delete all the lines. We have normal ETA chart, right? And now we have the ETA chart on the daily. And I'm hiding the entire chart, right? So I don't see the chart anymore, I see nothing. Right? And now you could say, okay, maybe you was watching it before, I don't know. Could be possible because I'm sitting here 16 hours a day, so I might have my knowledge about the chart, where the chart could be. So, and now I want to turn around, or I want to close my eyes, and I'm moving my mouse like that, okay? And then I want to stop it, and then I want to show you how lucky I was to finding support and resistance, okay? In the past as well. So, let's doing it. I'm moving my mouse. You're seeing my mouse here, right? I'm moving my mouse, I'm not watching, and I'm stopping right now, and I'm moving my resistance here. I didn't watch, as you saw, I closed my eyes, I looked to the bottom, and now I want to see how good did I found support and resistance. Okay, as you see, I'm a lucky boy. I directly found support and resistance here, found it here as well. Not bad. And now watching it as well in the past. Wow. In the past as well. Super good. Let's see this one. So my resistance was not that bad. Was pretty good. Was on fire, and this was on the daily. So I could be very wrong as well. And let's do the same again. And let's just move on the H4, and I'm not even watching. I'm just moving directly to this one again, opening this one, moving out, and doing the same. I'm just moving up and down. Did we find again resistance? Yes or not? Wow. Okay, I'm really lucky, as you see. I found resistance here. I also found the tops here. I mean, to be fair, people could think right now this is cheated. I cheated here. So I will turn around, right? And I will do the same situation again, moving up and down. Stop. Okay, it was too close, okay? Let's say I'm moving it again, but as we see again, I found support and resistance here again. That I found it in the past. Look at that, I found support and resistance here. So I all times find support and resistance. So, and now I want to give you another chart, right? And I don't want to show you everything, but maybe you already saw it, but it's fine if you just don't cheat, right? We don't expecting cheaters here. So again, what chart is it? You know, I'm trading indices, I'm trading everything. What kind of chart do we seeing here? And just want to show you, look how good this resistance was, right? And the market pumped up. We are right now at a level of 11,075. Maybe the DAX. Maybe something else. What kind of chart could it be? Wow, we stopped directly at the high. Crazy. Not bad. Right, we have a trend line here. Not bad. Which is hitting this, and this. Not bad. What kind of chart do we have here? So, if you wrote it down in the commentaries, then I can show it to you. It's just a simple simulation. So there's not really a trading chart, and you can do it with everything. So let me find it for you. If I find you something else, let me find a curve of a strategy, for example. A strategy curve, right? Let us Google for that. Strategy curve, and then we can see as well that the strategy having as well some highs, some lows, some resistance, some supports, but are these real support and resistance, or is it just kind of, yeah, just kind of randomness? And I can tell you, it is random. Hey, what kind of surprise! The market is more often random and just in a specific point predictable. And if you want to trade or to analyze the market, then, because as you see here, right, you see that really clear. We have here a trend line. So I draw it really bad, but you mean this one was not that clear. Let me do it over there. I think that is better. No, not like that. I want to do it like that. So as you see, we have a really good trend line here, and we have a high here. We have a high here, and we have a high here. Then we bounced up, crazy. Then we had as well that resistance zone, crazy. Market pumped up afterwards, super. And this is all random because this is just a simulated chart, right? And what I want to show you with that is that don't trust everything what you see on the internet, because it's normal rules. If the offer is fine and the price is fine, then people buy or people sell. That's the only rule you have to follow if you are on the financial market. There are no other rules. Not like, okay, we have a nice trend line, that's fine. And I can tell you that's why in all the videos on this channel you see the trendline phenomenon. I'm calling that trendline phenomenon. Why I'm calling that? Because all the retailer, and I think as well you, when you're watching the videos, are thinking on that trend line we're gonna change the trend. And the only thing why it could happen is because everyone is maybe trading the trend line. But I can tell you, support and resistance is absolutely random, because you will all times find support and resistance. So you have to watch at a certain time on the price, and that could be as support as resistance, or where you find imbalances or big volume, and this could be as support as and resistance, but not like a support and resistance. As I showed you, like we could do the whole day that I close my eyes, turn around, moving my, like if I as well just say we can use the upper part, right? And let's say a different, even different chart. Like let me not look at the thing what kind of pair we get. Okay, where's my mouse? Oops, again. Let's do it again. Okay, we use LTC. Same here. I don't even know it's LTC because I didn't open it for the past, and I do the same here again. I'm not I mean I could watch, right? I don't even see the chart, so, and I move it here. Okay, let's see. Oops, where did my line go? Did I delete it? Oops. Do it again. And okay. And what do we see here? Same situation. It worked here. It worked here fine as well. We have not more data. So let's do the same again. Another pair maybe. I'm stopping it again. Watching away. And here we go. We use ape before we want to close it. We use ape. And this time we use 5-minute chart. Right, so we go lower. And I'm doing the same again. Moving up and down and stop. Same here. Why it's all times the first one not working. Okay, and stop. Oof. for the whole day, for the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd of December, I was finding exactly the resistance. Look at that. Right? And this is just random. This is just random. Like, it's just random that the market is just moving away from that. It's just because in that part, people don't like the price and they sold. Right? And other people tried to buy here because on the left side, we saw a high, and that's why people maybe bought on that level. Right? But overall, this is just randomness. I mean, we don't have much more levels. We have here, broke through that level here. Let us check if we have, oh, look at this. I directly found that bottom. So as a tip for myself, the market is random, and look at time and price to find support and resistance, right? There's a lot of like buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, all these kind of stuff are levels where the market tend to go because there is liquidity. Because all times make it to you, think about that to yourself. Where are the big players could join the market? And it's not just on a random place, right? They have to go long where retail goes short. That's all times the same, because otherwise they don't get the coins or the price they want with the volume they want to enter. So that's for the Tips Thursday. Stay tuned, because next time there will be interesting stuff like law of large numbers, fear and greed, sentiment analysis, CME watch tools, news calendar, US dollar index, seasonality. There will be interesting stuff. So stay tuned with the next stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna hear us on the next videos. There will be a video on Saturday. And bye. Have a great week. Bye bye.